Okay, we're going to remove the alternator, and we're going to start with the back bracketry. And first thing I like to do is loosen this big bolt up. This is a 19 millimeter. So I've gone through and I've pre-loosened them to make it a lot quicker. So that's loosened, not taken apart. You want to get this bolt down here. This is your anchor bolt that holds the alternator onto the frame. That's 13 millimeter. Then you want to loosen the bolt for the clamping sleeve, and then the tensioning nut, which is a 14 millimeter. This was 14 millimeter. You want to loosen up the counter nut. And now turning away from you, this piece is your tensioning nut turns inside your clamping sleeve. Now it's turning against the threads on the bolt. This is a brand new bolt I put in here. You can see this is the old bolt. It's actually turning against, and I'll show you later where it's rubbing on those threads. So now what we're going to do is continue moving this so it loosens the belts. And if you do it in this sequence, you shouldn't have any problems. Don't forget, you need to make sure that bolt there, the counter nut bolt, I don't know if I mentioned that or not, make sure that's pulled away from it so you can turn this thing. You can see how it's really loosening up now. Oh yeah, starting to give away, which is good. All right, see, now it's starting to move. I don't know if you can see that or not. All right, now you see the alternator's moving. There we go. Now, what I like to do, since it's this loose, is to go ahead and remove this bolt here. There we go. Now it's nice and loose. See that? So you're going to use your hand. You get over here so you can see. That's better right there. Now notice, remember earlier I loosened that bolt there so it will give way and fall down. All right, now that bolt is officially out, and now we've removed the arm. Remember we talked about the threads earlier? You can see this new one, and you can see how it's worked on the threads here. Okay. All right. Then, of course, you just remove the belt, take the wires off, and take that bolt out, and you remove the alternator. That's all it is to it.